Hello students, today we shall learn about words of other types. Now, as pronunciation of the word is concerned, words are different types. What is pronunciation? Pronunciation is speaking or sound of the word. Spelling of the word we write on a board or paper. But we speak the word orally. How we speak the word is called pronunciation, speaking, speech. Now, rhyming verse and opposite verse. Words ending with the same sound are called rhyming words. Words ending with the same sound are called rhyming words. You would have heard many rhymes from your parents and relatives. Rhymes are something like Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's men and all the king's soldiers cannot put up Humpty Dumpty together again. Or Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pile of water. To fetch a pile of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Jill came running after, water after, down crown. Or Cuckoo, cuckoo, where are you? Cuckoo, cuckoo, where are you? Cuckoo, you. Rhyming words. 1, 2, 3, I am in the tree. 3, tree. Rhyming words. Cuckoo, cuckoo, what do you eat? 4, 5, 6, I eat pigs. 6 pigs. Cuckoo, cuckoo, how are you? Cuckoo, cuckoo, how are you? 7, 8, 9, I am fine. 9, fine. Rhyming words. Like that. Rhyming words are ending with same sound. Mark it well. Same sound, not same spelling always. There should be same sound at the end of the rhyming words. One word cannot be rhyming word. There should be more than two or more than two words. For example, man is a rhyming word for fan, pan, can, ran, can. All end in an. Man, pan, can, ran, tan. Now here R-A-N is the spelling. Here T-E-N is the spelling. The spelling may differ. There may be different letter, but the sound should be same or similar. That makes a pair of rhyming words. Other words we take cat, rat, bat, net, hat, pat. These are all rhyming words. Cat caught a rat. Rat, bat, net, hat, pat. Here there is N-E-T. Here there is F-A-T. The spelling may differ, but the pronunciation or the sound should be same or similar. Here we have sun, bun, fun, gun, ton, sun. S-U-N, sun. Here we have S-O-N, sun. But both these words have similar sound. Sun, sun. Sun rises in the east. Son of the father. Now here, pin, bin, tin, sim, jin. These are all rhyming words. They have similar sounds ending. Pin, bin, tin, sin, jin. Like that. Bed, red, glade, head, lead. They have same ending sounds. Bed. Here ed, here ad, here lead. But the sound is similar in ending. We have tap, map, lap, nap, gap, clap. The spelling may be long for a big word. TAP, tap, AP, app, map, lap, nap, gap, clap. Cake, take, bake, lake, make. All these words have similar sounds. Ride, fight, bride, kite, like that. Now, what is the use or advantage of these rhyming words? Can you think of it? Yes, we can memorize many words with one word ending with similar sounds. So it is a very good thing to increase our word power. With one word, we can memorize a number of other words that are rhyming with it. It is very easy to prepare a group of words which are rhyming, and this will help by large in memorizing words and increasing our word power. Word power is very important. Therefore, these rhyming words help us to increase our word power. Easily we can memorize many words that make various groups rhyming with them. So take an advantage of memorizing such group of words which are rhyming in nature. Now here we have words opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning. They are called opposite words. Word and opposite words. Clean, opposite dirty, not clean. Day, opposite night, not day. Hot, opposite cold, not hot. They are opposite in meaning. Thin, fat. Long, short. Big, small. Big, small. One, many. Tall, small. Though one word can be opposite in meaning to more than one word, it may so happen that one word may be opposite in meaning for more than one word. For example, small, big, small, tall, small, large, small. These are opposite in meaning to these words. Here we have dark, light. Dark, light. Lovely, ugly. Lovely, beautiful. Ugly, not beautiful. Ugly, not lovely. Busy, busy boy, working very hard. Lazy, lazy boy. Strong, strong. Weak, not strong. Wise, wise, intelligent. Foolish, not wise. Full, the glass is full of milk. Full. Empty. Empty, not full. Bright, bright, shining. And dull, not bright. Light, heavy. Now mark this word light. Light has two meanings. Light has two meanings. Light, sunlight, light of the lamp, candlelight, light, opposite of dark. It is also opposite in meaning with heavy as regards weight. Suppose cotton is light, but wood is heavy. Heavy in weight, light in weight. Here light has totally different meaning. Here light is opposite of brightness, opposite of darkness. Here light is opposite of heavy. Now what is the use of opposite words? Opposite words are useful also to memorize such pairs because they are opposite in meaning. one word can have a pair of opposite words. Thus, opposite words also help us in memorizing a number of various other words which are opposite in meaning. Like rhyming words, they also help us to improve and increase our word power. To learn the language or to speak, we need proper word power. If we are weak in word power, we cannot speak correctly. Weak speak, rhyming words. If we are strong in our word power, we can speak for a long time. Fluently we can speak. If the word power is weak, we have to fumble for various words. So dear students, try to improve your word power. Word power is better than money power or muscle power, because it is the power of intelligence, wisdom and knowledge. Knowledge, intelligence and skill are different from money and muscles. So always try to increase your word power and vocabulary. Thank you and have a nice day.